Recently, the world was abuzz with news. The United States announced the creation of a strategic reserve of cryptocurrencies. What does this mean for the global crypto market, and why is this decision so important? You're watching the Blockoria channel, where we make the complex understandable with analogies and examples. We appreciate your time. Subscribe so you don't miss out on new helpful videos. What is a crypto reserve? A crypto reserve is a strategic reserve of digital currencies, similar to a gold reserve, which states keep to ensure financial stability and strengthen national economies. The inclusion of cryptocurrencies in state reserves shows that their importance and reliability is recognized. How does a crypto reserve differ from a gold reserve? In the classical sense, gold has always been used as a reserve asset of states. But how is a crypto reserve better or worse than a gold reserve? Liquidity. Bitcoin can be sold instantly in the market, but selling gold for billions of dollars is a difficult task. Transparency. Anyone can check the movement of Bitcoins on the blockchain, unlike gold, whose reserves are difficult to audit. Risks. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, which means their value can change dramatically, unlike gold, which is considered a more stable asset. An analogy can be made. Gold is like a safety deposit box, and Bitcoin is like a digital insurance policy against economic shocks. U.S. President Donald Trump was previously skeptical of cryptocurrencies, calling them a fraud. However, his stance has recently changed. In his 2024 election campaign, Trump declared the field of cryptocurrencies a national priority and announced sweeping reforms in their regulation. He also announced plans to create a state advisory council on digital assets and make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. Why did the U.S. suddenly decide to create a crypto reserve? The U.S. has always strived to maintain its dominant position in the global financial system. But with China's growing influence, the strengthening of the digital yuan, CBDC, and the increasing use of Bitcoin as an alternative to traditional money, America can't stay away. Also, the U.S. has been actively printing dollars in recent years, which has led to rising inflation. Creating a crypto reserve could be a strategic move to strengthen the economy and reduce dependence on the traditional financial system. Do you think the creation of a U.S. crypto reserve is a real necessity or a political game? Which cryptocurrencies will be included in the U.S. reserve? According to the president's statements, the following cryptocurrencies will be included in the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Ethereum, a platform for creating decentralized applications and smart contracts. Ripple, a cryptocurrency focused on fast and cheap international payments. Solana, a blockchain platform known for its high transaction speed. Cardano, a platform for developing decentralized applications with a focus on security and scalability. Which countries already have a crypto reserve? As of today, some U.S. states, such as Wyoming, are already creating their own Bitcoin reserves. However, at the nation-state level, the practice of creating crypto reserves is not yet widespread. Can Bitcoin become part of international reserves along with the dollar? Today, most international reserves are held in dollars, euros, gold, and securities. But what if Bitcoin starts to be used as a tool for international settlements? Some countries are already starting to consider Bitcoin as a reserve asset. El Salvador. Large investment funds and corporations such as Tesla and MicroStrategy already hold some of their assets in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin enters international reserves, it would be a step towards creating a new financial system. What will the creation of a crypto reserve in the U.S. lead to for the crypto market? The creation of a strategic U.S. crypto reserve could have the following implications for the crypto market. Increased trust. Government recognition of cryptocurrencies will increase trust in cryptocurrencies among investors and the general public. Increase in value. The value of cryptocurrencies included in the reserve is expected to increase due to increased demand. Increased use. Integration of cryptocurrencies into government structures may encourage their wider use in various sectors of the economy. Regulatory changes. New laws and regulations are likely to be developed to regulate and support the crypto industry. Additional aspects. Impact on the global economy. The U.S. may set an example for other countries, encouraging them to consider creating their own crypto reserves. How will this affect geopolitics? The introduction of a crypto reserve in the U.S. could change the balance of power in the world. Will other countries follow the example of the U.S.? If America officially recognizes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a strategic asset, countries such as Japan, South Korea, Canada, and the UK could follow suit. How will China react? China is actively promoting the digital yuan and restricting the use of cryptocurrencies. If the U.S. introduces cryptocurrencies, China may strengthen the barcens or, on the contrary, reconsider its strategy. Already in the next video, we will tell you what the SBDS is. So subscribe to the channel not to miss it. Sanctions and restrictions. The U.S. can use its crypto reserve to put financial pressure on other countries, for example, by restricting access to certain assets. Technological development. Increased government interest in cryptocurrencies could spur blockchain technology development and innovation in this area. The creation of a strategic U.S. crypto reserve is a significant step that could change the landscape of the global financial system. The inclusion of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, and Cardano shows recognition of their importance and potential. Investors and market participants should keep a close eye on developments, as this decision could open up new opportunities and cause significant changes in the crypto industry. What other cryptocurrencies do you think are worthy of being included in the government reserve? Share your opinion in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Blockoria, share this video with friends, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching Blockoria. Our goal is to make the world of cryptocurrencies easier to understand in order to accelerate its development. With your support, we will be able to create new high-quality videos, making crypto education accessible to everyone. If you like our project, support us by donating. It's an investment in your knowledge, and the world of the future will be better. We're happy to share our partners' referral links with you. By using these links, you may receive bonuses, prizes, and commission discounts.